Welcome to Ram's Travel Diary, Coorg or Kodugu, Kerala, Karnataka State, Part 14, 86th video. Tourism in Karnataka can be divided into 4 geographical regions: North Karnataka, the hill stations, Coastal Karnataka, and South Karnataka. Coorg or Kodagu is one of the pristine, less crowded hill stations. Its natural and lush greenery contributes to its scenic beauty. It is an ideal summer gateway. October to March, best time to visit. The climate is cool due to hill station and you can see fog there. Coorg is bestowed with aromatic coffee plantations, breathtaking waterfalls, green mountains, and stunning views. Another unique attraction of Coorg is the Tibetan monastery. Tourists have plenty of options for trekking along coffee estates, along riverside and mountain scenic paths. There is a local market for any kind of shopping needs. Coorg is about 106 km from Mangalore rail station and about 250 km from the Bangalore International Airport. Nearest city to Coorg is Mysore, 117 km away. Madikeri bus station is very near. Madikeri is the capital of Coorg district. The classic and famous dish in Karnataka is Bismi Bele Bath, which is basically a blend of rice, lentils, assorted vegetables, and spices like asafoetida, nutmeg, and curry leaves. The variety of doshas like butter dosha, Mysore masala dosha, and set dosha are very popular across India. Other common dishes include breads like akki roti and ragi roti, vegetable curries, kosambari, and gravy dishes like huli and tongue. They eat desserts after meal. The popular desserts include Mysore Pak, Rava Unda, Kachaya, Kesari. Coorg is called as the Scotland of India. Coorg is one of the top hill stations in South India. Among the most popular attractions not to miss in your Karnataka tour, Coorg or Kodagu is about 265 km from Bangalore city and it takes about 6 hours drive. Coorg is the largest producer of coffee in India. Also, it is one of the places with the highest rainfall in India. Places like Raja's Seat, Abbey Falls, Iruppu Falls, Omkareshwara Temple, Bailakuppe, Talakaveri, and Dubre Elephant Camp, Nagarhole National Park, Madikeri Fort, Tibetan Buddhist Golden Temple, etc. are the major attractions to be included in the Coorg tour. The famous Kaveri River is originated in the hills of Coorg at Talakaveri. Being a part of the Western Ghats, Coorg is home to 3 wildlife sanctuaries, the Talakaveri, Pushpagiri, and Brahmagiri sanctuaries, and one national park, the Nagarhole National Park. Coorg is also famous for trekking activities with peaks like Thandianda Mall, Brahmagiri, and Pushpagiri. Besides, Coorg can also be visited along with Ooty tour. The traditional dress of Coorgi people is known as Kufia, or Kolia. There are 3 major festivals of Coorg. They are Kailapodu, a festival of armory and weapons, and Kaveri, Sangramana, and Puttari, a harvest festival. Kodagu people speak Kannada as their official language. Kodagas are Hindus. Hindus are 81% in Kodagu district. The verdant fields of pepper and coffee plantations make Coorg a picturesque hamlet that visitors flock in for. The beautiful tourist visiting places are Raja's Seat, Abbey Falls, Iruppu Falls are very beautiful to see. Omkareshwara Temple, Bailakuppe, Talakaveri, and the Dubre Elephant Camp is very interesting to see. We can see there the elephant feeding, elephant bathing, and the all details of elephant's life. Nagarhole National Park is very famous. We can see the animals, elephant, tiger, lion, bears, etc. there. And the Tibetan Buddhist Golden Temple is very beautiful to see. And the Madikeri Fort is also an old fort. It is also important tourist point. Talakaveri, from where the Kaveri river starts, is very interesting to see. There is a small temple there. From where the Kaveri river starts, and it flows through 3 states and 1 union territory, that is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Pondicherry. So thank you for visiting the video Ram's Travel Diary.